Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. And with this tutorial I will teach you how to make some details for our Yoshi. If you haven't seen the videos for the Yoshi yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. Because I will show you how to make these eggs. They are the same pattern, but just use a different yarn. And also you can use this detail for a K. For these eggs I use La Abuelita brain yarn. It's very good for amigurumis. And the result is bigger than if you use Sinfonia brain yarn. Then I use La Abuelita on white color yarn and lemon green color yarn on Sinfonia for the detail. And I will show you using Sinfonia brain yarn, lemon green color yarn and white color yarn. It's smaller than this one, but it's the same pattern, using a different yarn, just that. Then I will show you all the materials that we need to make this detail. And remember that you can buy this yarn and a lot of yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. We will use for Sinfonia brain yarn 2.5mm hook. I made a single crochet in a form of X, but if you made a single crochet in a form of V, I recommend that you use 2.0mm hook with the same yarn. Remember, you can make our amigurumis with whatever yarn that you prefer, but you need to note that maybe the size will be different. We will need scissors, wool needle, pins, staffed. Also, I will use a hot silicone to put in the details. Also, you can sew it. And that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this little amigurumi. And if you are ready, let's start. We will start using lemon green color yarn, and on round 1 we will make a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain, and on round 2 we will make 6 increase, working in a spiral. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase, and we will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3 we will start with 1 single crochet and later 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 4 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 increase. And we will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 24 points. From round 5 to 7 we will make 24 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same until round 7. On round 8 we will start with 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now 1 decrease. And we will repeat 6 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times more. We will finish this round with 21 points. On round 9 we will make 21 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 10 we will start with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 decrease. And we will repeat 5 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times more. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 11 we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 decrease, and we will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 12 points, and on rounds 12 and 13 we will make 12 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 13. And when you finish the round 13 you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn only for close. We don't need the mark, and remember, put enough stuff. And after that we will close, and pay close attention, and you can see how I close this amigurumi. This is the result after close, and now we will make the details. We will make 4 equal pieces. I'm already made 3, and we will make 1 together. It's just 2 rounds. On round 1, a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the magic rain, and on round 2, 6 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and this is the first increase, and 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we finish this round with 12 points. Cut the yarn and close using a wool needle, and you can see how. And after that we will make the union with the eggs. And that's it. Now you can use these details for your keys. I hope and you like this tutorial, and also if you made this amigurumi, you can share with me on Instagram. And if you like it, don't forget to give me your like and your comment on this video. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until the next amigurumi, bye bye.